We better go now, Lachlan, because it's getting dark. Bring your fat butt over here. Okay, so this is our train. It's very cool. We just rented that city over there, and it's very cool, right, Lachlan? Oh, and by the way, kind of kept you. Stinky, kind of because you're already clapped. And he's going to clap you, baby. He's gonna kill you. Stop. Gold is great. Gold is great. Gold is great. Gold is great. Lachlan, gold is great. Cause I love my gold. And that's because gold is great. Oh, he's quite weak. He's very weak, actually. I'm high roller, so give me the gold, and I'll give you some. Rocks don't sell for anything. What is he? Breaking news! Evil Larry is on the run. He escaped prison years ago, and he's right behind you. And he is going to kill you now. Breaking news! Jerry is trying to pass the test on scariest. So if you see Jerry, please pretend to be scared. Or else if Evil Larry come and you will die. Oh, and by the way, oh crap. Go to sleep, my little baby. Go to sleep, my baby. You will be fine, and you always will be fine. Gotta sleep, little baby. Gotta sleep, little sleep. Gotta sleep, little baby. No way, I don't like you, 'cause you are so gay. I hate everybody on this planet. Stinky Winky. What the? Mario. Luigi. Hello, Mario. Mario, Lachlan. I'm gonna sleep. Now, can I have some money? Can I have some money? Light your pants on fire. I know you. Wow. Thank you. Thank you, but no thank you. Mario. Hello, Luigi. Hello, Mario. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Yeah, that was so goated. What's that smell? It smells like something burning. My house. Wait. But Lachlan, I need to tell you something. Hello, I'm your neighbor. Goodbye, I'll see you later. This place is not for you to look and see to take from me. What? Not yet. I'm still doing something, Luigi. And your butt like Luigi. Why? What did I do to you? Oh, I get it. Go! Hell no, man. What the? Man, who invited this guy? Get your ass in somebody. Hurry up! Sheriff! Butthole. Why? My God, it's that place. Remember, I get the Excalibur and you get the Jade. It's sword. War will soon start, boys, and we will finish it by killing all of them. Baba dabba dabba dabba. Don't kill the other one. Why? Boy, I don't need that shit. Boy, Get another